Welcome back to the higher table. Wadona dukan swana ningono ndo mahungoni. Damn it. Just wende kati jaiva energy nangu chukwambo VA. Kitonga kwamba re akuvua kupachika pete mi. Mapungo ke. Wanaona mapungo ane kwamba mkolori energy to vua macholo na wakona za screenshot wako kuzo VA. Osika une avori makazi osika une adia some goodness. Anepala asika une ajia BT ni avori BT ni ako mkoloro na ono di shumisa. Aishumisa ka track yawe di vani game raus. Nuko makazi uko shumisa the same beat. And osika une avoko akoporo na flow ya previous song ni avori ya mkoloro. So Richards this is 01 ya vele BT ko di vakasem person avori is the same DJ and DJ dance. So where any rachipinla kwambozor no BT I belong kam koloro BT I belong aka makazi so ra register roke zwemboro mndine nako kaka ngori obvisa BT asikone pa mumwe mutu adowa futhi ayishomisa bezi hello fungula BT niko jena khalo ngamrawu niko sidana mapungu aneyo so uko accuse mapungu ayori usikone yabori uko fi otwa BT kana usumisa BT bezi zoro zichia futhi mkolora swika futhi ni angwara achikwambora hai ene na makazi na DJ dance wakuzenya mapungo abo wakuzenya mapungo ri wonori what is the way forward coming to this issue ri otwa BT naone wetia so mkolora no suka oni the share screenshot osumbe no they are speaking, they are sorting out the issue out bana problem musika nepo so I'm just going to play you a clip in a clip in a it has both tracks. In a track corona track makazi. Then you guys will tell me, Ori, is this the same beat or what? But to me, it sounds the same. So DJ and no Kakao Scarpa, but very beaty. But that could be because Zori Mingashimsa beaty, miss na exclusive right. Jambori Mumutanga the door I shumisa because then no laser beat. Oimwashida ati renga IG completely abori orenga beaty. Ngoraro. Just exclusive right. So I think Govana misunderstanding Chidani Pokori. How do you own the beat and who doesn't own the beat? Lazing and buying. It's not the same. Complete rights and just lazing. It's not the same. So as you know, energy BT belong come card. So we're waiting for the song. Makazi drop it so we can dance. Energy. What if I do? Yeah. There's the other dugar swara di mwana do about goody erabara here. Listen to this clip and you can tell me what you think. That's